Hello, I'm Grant Ash, Regional Manager, and this is Parts for Trucks Moncton. Located just a few kilometers off the Trans-Canada Highway, you'll find Parts for Trucks in one of Moncton's cozier business parks. But a small park doesn't mean small trucks. The businesses here rely on their trucks to get work done, and they trust us to keep them rolling. In our facility, you'll find a store, a warehouse, and a service facility all under one roof. When you walk in, you'll find a showroom with our most popular products, along with a staff consisting of some of Moncton's most experienced sales reps in the industry. Combined, this crew has over 80 years of experience under their belts. Also, be sure to grab a cup of coffee while you're here. It's on the house. Can't find what you're looking for in our showroom? Let us know. We'll check our warehouse. We stock over 4,500 products. But if we don't have what you need, no problem. We receive regular deliveries from our 50,000 square foot distribution center, and we'll have your part to you within a day or two. Next, we'll head out to the shop where you'll find our DPF cleaning machine. In as little as 3 hours, this machine will take a dirty, plugged filter and restore it to within 98% of its original condition. But we don't just clean them. We check your filter for damage and take before and after measurements to ensure it meets our high standard of cleanliness. But that's just one part of our service center. With 12 bays and an experienced team, we'll be able to fix your truck and get you back on the road in no time. And don't forget our equipment department, tucked away in the back of the shop, where we install snowplows, dump bodies, hitchhikers, cranes, and more. But what makes Parts for Trucks Moncton really tick is our staff. Amongst them is Scott, who has been selling parts since they were for a horse and buggy. Well, almost anyway. Walk into the service department and you'll find Aaron, the young up-and-comer who's been here a year and is already making waves. And Jason, who, if you can get him out from underneath the truck, will tell you all about what he's up to and teach you a thing or two along the way. So whether you need parts, service, or equipment, stop by Parts for Trucks Moncton. The team is here to serve you and keep your fleets moving.